How's it going, you lot, and welcome back to another Ignition Junkies video. I'm not with Stov at the moment, he's at work and I'm still at work currently, but as you can tell by the thumbnail, got some good content coming your way. I'm fitting a new exhaust today on my 04 WRX STI. She's an import and she's currently running a Fujitsu Subaru exhaust, and the exhaust is nice. The one I've got now is pretty quiet, it's pretty subtle. When you're on like full chat, it's really not loud, but it sounds like a rally car. It's pretty cool, but I want a bit more noise, a bit more aggressiveness, and it just looks tiny. It's a nice exhaust, but I want a little bit more. I think I am going to miss it, but yeah, we got the Tomei going on my STI. Here it is in here. You'll have a good look in a minute once we get it all like fitted and out and stuff, get all the pipe work out, get it all assembled. But there it is for now. It's absolutely gorgeous. Good bit of kit. I love the Expreme titanium exhaust. It's amazing. I've heard it in person a few times. The videos don't do it justice on YouTube. If you're ever watching it on YouTube for sound clips, it does not do it justice at all. But you're going to get some sound clips off me, and we're going to go down to my friend's garage, Devonshire Garages. Marcus, my mate, over in Tor Point. Absolutely amazing mechanic. He does all the work on my Scoobies. I had a WRX before I had this. That got wrote off. That's a story for another time though. So yeah, we're going to go down see Marcus, get it fitted. I'll show you all the kit. You're going to see loads of sound clips. I'll show you a sound clip of the Fujitsu Subaru, which is awesome. And yeah, I'll see you in a sec. Peace. hasn't lost the fucking rumble then, has it, eh? Fucking hell. Oh, that sounds so fucking nice. Apart from my injectors.